What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike and I'm back at it again with yet another video. You guys know the deal. You know what we're talking about today. The crypto crash, the crypto market is in shambles. It's been like this for a little bit over a week now. I'm going to talk all about it in today's video and pretty much give you my warning. Is this my final warning? I don't know. I'll probably continue to make crypto videos, but for sure it's a solid warning that you all need to know about. Here we go. Let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Before we dive in, if you guys don't know, I make personal finance content here on YouTube. So if you're interested in stuff like that, stuff like saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards, crypto, of course, it's all covered right here on Dollar Mike. So make sure you hit that like button if you like this video and other videos. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like it. Now, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the content. You guys know the deal. And of course, over the past week, the crypto market has lost over $400 billion. Yes, billion with a B. The crypto market has lost over $400 billion. $400 billion in one single week. And just for context, if you don't know how much $400 billion is, because that's not something the human can really wrap their mind around, and I surely can't. If you look at a company like Visa, you know, the payment processing company, they're worth about $400 billion. Or you can look at a company like Nvidia, where they make a whole bunch of different computer chips and stuff like that. They are also worth $400 billion. So that's essentially like saying either one of those companies are completely wiped off the face of the earth in the matter of one single week, as if they didn't happen anymore, as if they went bankrupt. That's insane to think about, and that's just a little bit of context for you to break it down to a smaller scale, to a more of an understandable scale. The price of Bitcoin right now is hovering around $20,000, and it dipped down to about $17,000 before that glimmer of hope hit us, and it rise back up from the occasion from $17,000 back up to around $20,000, $21,000 where it's sitting at right now. On top of that, Ethereum is sitting around $1,000 per Ethereum, and BNB is down to about $200 per BNB. Crazy stuff. That's insane to think about, but nothing too crazy for the crypto space. I mean, if you've been in this space for a year or 2 years or even longer than that now, then you know that these drops, 50%, 60%, 70% drops are actually pretty normal, which is still insane to think about, but regardless, yeah. But overall, I'm making this video for you guys. I'm making this video for the beginner crypto investor. I'm making this video for people that have been investing into crypto and just are interested in the crypto topic and need to know more about it, or just need this fair warning that they put, that other people put out and that I put out every now and then when I make these crypto videos, because it's just something to remember. It's something to note if you're going to be investing your money into cryptocurrency. As my returning subscribers already know, I've been buying crypto for a couple of years now, and I will most likely continue to buy crypto for years going forward. And you guys can check out my full crypto portfolio. It'll be linked right up there, and I'm consistently buying those, yes, even at times like this. And this is actually one of the best times to buy crypto, just like it's one of the best times to buy stocks as well. But crypto is a little different, and that's why I'm here making this video yet again. So with all that being said, this is yet again your warning. I mentioned this in my stock market videos about risk and stuff like that, but honestly, I'm pretty sure everyone believes the crypto market is way more riskier than the stock market when it comes to the potential to lose your money in a fast succession. Just like you can make a lot of money in the crypto market super fast, maybe overnight, you can lose all of it overnight as well. And that's the situation we're in right now for a lot of people, especially a lot of beginner investors. So here it is yet again. Do not invest your hard-earned money into something you simply don't understand or aren't willing to even take the research to try to understand. And also, don't invest your money if you're not willing to lose 100% value of that money, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency, probably one of the highest risk asset classes that we have out here today. Some people go to the casino, gamble, and lose all their money. Now the money's gone. Others may go to the strip club, toss some money in the air, and money's gone. But lastly, some people buy Bitcoin at $70,000 a coin, have the coin drop down to about $17,000, and then figure, maybe I should sell here after I've pretty much secured in all my losses. Doesn't make sense. Don't be that person. And then after they lose 60% of their money, they think, oh wait, I gotta pay next month's rent because I use all my money to buy crypto instead of making some money put on the side so I can go ahead and pay my bills that I have to pay for every month that I signed a contract for. So now I'm about to get kicked out because I can't afford to pay my rent. I can't afford to make my car payment. This is actually crazy. Don't be that person. Please don't be that person. Or because this happens in crypto as well, they go ahead and try to withdraw their cryptocurrency to their actual bank account, but can't do it because the exchange they use to buy their cryptocurrency can't afford to have them withdraw because they can't afford to pay out everybody when they need to get paid out. So Therefore, your money is just pretty much stuck in limbo and you have zero access to it, even though it's your money. Make it make sense, Celsius and other crypto exchanges. Just let me know. I would like to know, just as much as your users would like to know, why they can't withdraw their own crypto from their own exchange fund account. Crazy stuff, right? I'm just saying. Do not let all your cryptocurrencies simply sit on these cryptocurrency exchanges, and then when something happens in the market, like a 50% drop in a matter of a week, when that happens in the market and you're not able to withdraw, then what are you going to do? Some cryptocurrency exchanges you can withdraw, some you can't withdraw from, but who knows which cryptocurrency exchange that's going to happen when it happens. You don't know until it happens. So you'll pretty much be SOL until they actually figure out what's going on with their exchange and why they pretty much can't allow you to withdraw your own money, which is the reason, well, they can't do it because they can't afford to do it. That's the answer to me. If you're looking for the answer, that is the answer. So I'm just saying, and that honestly brings me to today's partnership, which is perfect. And today's partnership is Ledger. Ledger right here. If you grab yourself one of these, you can have full-blown access to all your cryptocurrency. It is not stored on an exchange. You have private key access to all your cryptocurrency, so nobody has access to all your cryptocurrency except for you. Your crypto is stored on the blockchain, and all your actual keys, all your private keys and everything such like that will be stored on this ledger and also in your brain and written down as your private code as well. So you'll be all good to go if you have yourself a ledger, and you can store all your cryptocurrency on here safely and don't have to worry about any exchanges or anything happening. When something does go wrong, you can go ahead and withdraw your crypto freely anytime you want to. Simply upload it or simply move it to an exchange where you can withdraw your cryptocurrency from, and you'll be all good to go. Ledger is used by over 4 million people, including myself. I store all of my main cryptocurrencies on here, and I will continue to have them stored on here because I have full access to them and can buy and sell freely at any given time, no matter market conditions. Don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. This one right here is known as the Ledger Nano X. You don't have to get this one. So if you do want to go ahead and pick one up, I have an affiliate link down below that'll greatly help out the channel. It'll give me a little bit of kickback, which will obviously go back into creating more content for you guys. By all means, you guys don't have to use that link down below, but it is an option for you. And like I said before, it helps out the channel greatly if you do. So I really do appreciate it if you do. Either way, that's all I got for Ledger. And let's get back to finishing this video out. So at the end of the day, who am I to tell you how to spend your money? You're going to do whatever you want to do with your money because it's your money, and you should have the ability to do whatever you want to do. All I can simply do is help you, push you in the right direction so you don't go ahead and burn 60% of your portfolio in a matter of a week. All I'm saying is invest or buy or do whatever you want to do with cryptocurrency, but just do it at your own risk, 100% of your own risk. And also think about how much money you're actually putting into it and if you actually need that money going forward. Don't go ahead and put your rent money in there. I don't think that's a good idea because you might need that next month. Sure, it could quadruple over the next month, or you could have nothing the next month. It's just that simple. So it's just a risk you take, and that's just something you have to deal with when it comes to cryptocurrency. The stock market is a little bit better on that, just because there's certain protections in place where if the market falls too fast, too far, then trading can be cut off for a limited amount of time and stuff like that. The crypto, it could go to zero tomorrow for all we know. We don't know. So nobody knows. And if anybody tells you they know, they don't know. They're a liar. So don't believe them. Either way, that's all I really got for that. Do I think cryptocurrency will go back up? Definitely. I believe in cryptocurrency 100% for the future, for the long term. But today it's down. Hey, it is what it is. But it was down before a couple years back, and it was down before a couple more years back before it was down before. So you get what I'm saying. It's a cycle. It's all in a cycle. So you got to just weigh it out and see what it is. But this is just part of the cycle. This is the next cycle. So we just got to deal with it. So the main points, only invest what you're willing to lose up to 100% of it. On top of that, make sure you pay off all your debts and have an emergency fund and everything set up. So, you know, all that's covered before you even go to buy any cryptocurrency. Because if you're not paying for your debts, especially that high interest credit card debt, please pay that off. If you're not taking care of that first, then stay away from cryptocurrency. Just stay away from cryptocurrency. And on top of that, make sure you create an emergency fund so you can, you know, be okay just in case a time like that happens. Maybe you lose your job tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I'll lose my job tomorrow. I know if I lost my job tomorrow, I'm gonna make sure I'm covered because I'm saving and investing for myself for the future. So if things like that do happen, then I'll be all good to go. I want to make sure you're all good to go. So that's it, and that's pretty much the video. And so the video should be all good to go as far as I'm concerned. Educate yourself, do better, stay safe, stay positive, take care of yourselves. That is the end of the video. That's all I got for today's video. I do have more content coming soon all next week. We got other partnerships coming to the channel as well, which is extremely exciting, and I can't wait to share those with you. On top of that, follow me on Instagram. Plan on posting more there. And yeah, that's all I got. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the love and support that you provide to this channel. We're over 17,000 now, so thank you very much for that as well. And we're going to keep it going. It's just that simple. I try my best. I've been working hard. For all I know, I might be getting another job. I just got another job. I might be getting another job. So we'll see how all that plays out. Full-time job, this part-time, but hopefully I can turn this into a full-time thing. Love to see it. Either way, take care of yourselves. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.